So guys, I take a run out country, stop by my Jellyman, stop by T Nation to get my roast fish, and just give you some synopsis of the road being under construction in the parish. So sit back, relax, and take a look. Alright. As you go along, you get a good little part to drive on. So we're still under construction in the parish. And guys, look at this beauty here. Look at it. Look at that beautiful stretch. Guys, beautiful, 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 beautiful view. St. Thomas, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is beautiful, 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 beautiful. 20 miles, but they are going as if it is 100 miles. See it? The road is still being constructed, but I'm happy to see how far it reached. Yeah, I'm so happy. We are going places. Yeah, we are going places. The trucks. Through all of there's something them on the road, you know. Look at it. All of the signs on the road from the truck. So for this, you have to be careful. Oh my God. Yes, but the signs are still there. They're still working, even though I don't see any workmen. It's weekend though, so maybe they are on a break. Yeah, but yeah, Albion Road still being fixed. Albion still a far way to go. Oh God, these roads, my body aches. Oh my God, the process is so long. I'm waiting. I'm now seeing workmen. Workmen are on the site, some of the sites. This is Pamphlet area. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm almost lost to come on my parish. Yes. The roads are different turn off, different carry road, merry-go-round come round. Pamphlet road, my God. I can only use half of it. The rest are gone. Loose stones. Look, that's half of the road. Now everybody trying to come over here. Construction. This is what the St. Thomas persons, people have to undergo since this road is being fixed. Yes, it's terrible. It's terrible. I believe this is the end of the bad part of the road into Moran Bay. And I believe so. So we are on back to our old road. Okay, so beautiful. Look at the beautiful sea, guys. And look at that in the middle of the road. That looks so nice. Yes. And we are about to go to Botany Bay. Man, my jelly man. Reach. Sent you with it. Jelly, ooh, and jelly. Maybe tomorrow I do. You're coming out tomorrow?
Yeah, on the moon.
Mommy, they're firing. Long time. Sea, beautiful sea. Woo! Look at the beautiful sea, my peeps. You get a good spot though. Them put you in a good spot. This is where my serenity is. Peace. Peace, the beautiful St. Thomas Sea. Peace, 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 peace. time, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful St. Thomas. And then it's time to have my jelly. My first stop every time I am in the parish. I have to stop and get my jelly. Alright. Tip for my jelly. Jesus. Jelly man. Yee. Let's watch off with art. With their country. Country life. Nice. Yeah. Watch out. The real deal. Us now. This is Russell going into Morant Bay. Look at us. Look at us now. Just look at us now. Woo! Look at the beach. Beautiful beach. Woo! Weather, come on. Nice. Woo! Yeah. I'm happy for our people. My people, I'm happy for you guys. Yes, I always say so because of the bridge. I'm happy for you guys. My people. The road is coming on. Look for a good road. Look for a nice road. Look for a nice. Good up road. Yeah. I'm happy. Oh, and look at the beautiful sea. Go eat now, guys. Woo! Good up road. Good up, St. Thomas. Big up on yourself. We are gonna look good when it's done. Yeah. Woo! I was crawling almost most of the time, but this is good news. As this fish was done specially roast for me by Howie from T Nation. It was so yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.